Namaskar. India Meteorological Department welcomes you in its daily weather briefing. So, in this daily weather briefing, first of all, we will look into the synoptic systems today over the country, and then their forecast for next 5 days. After that, we will come over to the monsoon conditions over the country, monsoon activity over the country during past 24 hours, and then we will come over to the weather warning for next 5 days. So first of all, let us look into synoptic systems today. So low pressure area, yesterday's low pressure area today lies over northwestern parts of East MP, between Damo and Sagar. Actually, it is lying over, and this associated cyclonic circulation with this low pressure area is extending up to 4.5 kilometer above mean sea level, and the monsoon today is passing as like last 2 days it is passing through to the south of its normal position, and today it is passing through Bikaner, Jaipur, center of low pressure area over this northern parts of East MP, and then Daltonganj of Jharkhand, then Digha of West Bengal, and then east southeast was towards southeast Bay of Bengal. So this is today's synoptic condition, and if we look into the uh, synoptic systems forecast, then this low pressure area is very likely to become less marked by tomorrow. But the associated sicer, the remnant sicer, would remain there, and that would move eastwards by day after tomorrow. That is by 9th of August. So, with this eastward moving of this remnant of this remnant sizer of this low pressure area, this monsoon trough is very likely to shift northwards, and then the rainfall region, the heavy rainfall region would shift into this foothills of Himalayas. That is over Uttarakhand, over northern parts of Uttar Pradesh, and over this Tarai region of Uttar Pradesh and Tarai region of Bihar. And accordingly, this is the satellite picture of today. As we can see that there is a intense cloud convection over East Rajasthan, and over we can see and another cyclonic circulation is there over Gangetic, West Bengal, and adjoining Bangladesh, which is between 2.1 and 5.8 kilometer above mean sea level. So this clouding we are seeing, that is over Bangladesh, that is associated with this cyclonic circulation over Gangetic, West Bengal, and adjoining Bangladesh. So now this is the monsoon activity during past 24 hours. So we can see, first we will see that what heavy rainfall areas have been during past 24 hours. Then we will come to the monsoon activity. So with associated in association with this low pressure area over central parts of North MP, extremely heavy rainfall has been observed over West Madhya Pradesh, and that was over Bamori station of Guna district, and which has observed 21 centimeter rainfall. And Khanpur of Jhalawad, that is in East Rajasthan, which is adjoining district to Guna, that has observed 20 centimeter rainfall. And another station of Guna district has observed 16 centimeter, and another sister station of Jhalawar district has observed 14 centimeter, and Pratapgarh of East Rajasthan has observed 14 centimeter. And then if we come over to this our northeast India, then Sohra, that is Cherrapunji, has observed a 14 centimeter rainfall, and Kerala, Alpuja and Vaikom in Kerala has observed 12 centimeter. Except this, many other stations, that is our Kota and Bilaspur, they have observed 7 centimeter rainfall. And like that, Ernakulam of Kerala has observed 8 centimeter rainfall. So, in association with this very heavy rainfall region over East Rajasthan, Kerala, and Assam and Meghalaya, and West extremely heavy rainfall region, that is greater than 20 centimeter rainfall region or West Madhya Pradesh, the monsoon has remained active over, that is, the monsoon uh, has been up to 4 times the normal rainfall over this East Rajasthan, West Madhya Pradesh, Assam and Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura, and Kerala. As we can see that this entire India map is having red color. So this is the weak, this means that weak monsoon conditions are prevailing over the entire country, except over, as we just saw, that over active monsoon conditions over East Rajasthan, West Madhya Pradesh, Assam and Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura and Kerala. And the monsoon has remained normal over Arunachal Pradesh, East Uttar Pradesh, over Bihar, over West Bengal and Sikkim, over West Rajasthan, over coastal Karnataka, South interior Karnataka, over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Karaikal, and over Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So, in association with this, as we discussed the synoptic system forecast during next 5 days, so we can see today's warning area, that is orange color zone. Today we have given over East Rajasthan, West MP. So this is actually the warning region, heavy to very heavy rainfall region, that is up to 20 centimeter rainfall probability is over there over this region, that is the region of Kota, Jhalawad, and our this Bara districts, and then there is Guna district, and our this adjoining this districts of West Madhya Pradesh, that is Vidisha, and here there is Shivpuri. So over this area, heavy to very heavy rainfall, that is up to 20 centimeter rainfall is probable today. And as the low pressure area is going to become less marked by tomorrow and become and weaken further, then this tomorrow this very heavy rainfall zone is going to be reduced to the heavy rainfall zone, and by 9th, as we just saw in the beginning of this video, that the remnant sicer would move away eastwards. So we can see that this Rajasthan will become free from any warning area. This is green shaded, and then only isolated heavy rainfall, that is up to 11 centimeter of rainfall, would be probable over West MP on day 3. And after that, from day 4 onwards, there is no rainfall warning over Madhya Pradesh. So this is the condition for West MP and adjoining East Rajasthan for next 5 days. And as we saw that from 9th of August, this monsoon trough, especially western end of the monsoon trough, would shift to the foothills of Himalayas. So this heavy rainfall zone would be shifting to this foothills region of East UP and adjoining West UP and this Bihar region. So we can see that heavy rainfall warning is there over East UP for next 5 days, and over Bihar from tomorrow up to 11th of August. That is after 24 hours for subsequent 4 days. So, but over East UP, over this Tarai region of East UP, we are expecting heavy to very heavy rainfall on 10th and 11th August. Up to 9th, it is just heavy rainfall, isolated heavy rainfall, and on 10th and 11th August, heavy to very heavy rainfall probability is there. That is up to 11 centimeter of rainfall probability is there. And also, as this monsoon trough is shifting towards foothills of Himalaya, so this rainfall activity is also very likely to, under the influence of strengthening of southwesterly winds over Bay of Bengal, this northeast India is also very likely to experience heavy to very heavy rainfall on 10th and 11th of August. As we can see that these yellow regions over this Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal and NMMT have been upgraded to orange color on 10th and 11th of August. So this is the only these two are the main warning zones for next 5 days. And as far as this, we can also, there is also a heavy rainfall area probability over this West Bengal and Sikkim, and especially sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim is very likely to experience heavy to very heavy rainfall on 10th and 11th August, along with this our Northeast India. And except this, over entire this northern peninsular India and the central India, there is no the monsoon conditions would remain just weak monsoon conditions, and only isolated to scattered light rain or thunder showers are likely over these regions. And as we come to this southern peninsular India, that is Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu, then today there is a heavy to very heavy rainfall up to 11 centimeter, up to this 11 to 20 centimeter rainfall probability is there over Kerala, and heavy rainfall probability is there over coastal and south interior Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. So this probability would continue for uh, up to tomorrow, and then on day 3, that is on 9th, this rainfall activity is likely to reduce. But again, from 10th of August, this rainfall activity is again as per numerical models suggestion. This is again going to increase, and in wake of that numerical model guidance, we are expecting heavy rainfall, isolated heavy rainfall activity over Kerala and Tamil Nadu on 10th of August, and then heavy to very heavy rainfall, that is up to 20 centimeter rainfall at isolated places probability over Kerala and Tamil Nadu, and then isolated heavy rainfall probability over coastal and south interior Karnataka on 11th of August. So during next 5 days, we have seen all these heavy rainfall warning zones. So these warning zones concentrate for next 2 days only over this West MP and East Rajasthan, and then uh, uh, during next 5 days over Northeast India, with the increase on day 4 and day 5, that is on 10th and 11th August, and from 10th of August, the this rainfall warning zone over this Tarai regions of East UP and Bihar, and also Uttarakhand is very likely to experience uh, heavy rainfall during up to 10th of August, and on 11th of August, heavy to very heavy rainfall is very likely over Uttarakhand. And then our this main warning zone would be southern peninsular India, that is Kerala and Tamil Nadu, which is likely to experience enhanced rainfall activity from 11th, when there is isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall probability over there. So that's all for today. Weather warning during next 5 days. Tomorrow again we will come with this weather warning for next 5 days. Uh, till then, we are also there. Our weather video is there in Hindi and English, both languages, on the same YouTube channel and Facebook platform and Twitter platforms. So you can you can watch our English and Hindi videos, and we request you to give your feedbacks so that we can accordingly improve our weather dissemination capabilities. So thank you all for today. Tomorrow we will again meet. Goodbye.